The next thing you have to do is assess for accuracy and then normalize that data. What does that mean? Are all of these data sources up to date? You're assessing them, you're looking at, are they up to date? Are they accurate? And then normalizing data means something as simple as, in one data source over here, first and last name are in 2 separate columns. In this data source over here, first and last name are in the same column. Something that simple messes up your data fluidity because you can't pull from one document to another if those columns don't match. So normalization, again, it is not the sexy, fun work, but it is work that needs to be done. That is where you start to get the strengths. So now you've identified them, you've normalized them. It's kind of like the lowest common denominator when you're doing division, right? Let's get to that. And then after you do that, determine what's missing or what you need. What do you need to provide the experience, the service, etc., that you're looking for? You will find those data gaps. Those data gaps are often helpful to discuss with a board of advisors, a board of peers, because they will likely think of things that you haven't. And after our third step here, maybe it will get you to think of things that you would like to do if you had better data. Fourth step here, and you can see it up there, this is when you get the power. When data becomes fluid, that's when you can connect those systems and processes. That's when you can create something like a Zap, if you use Zapier, where you can connect, hey, every time an entry comes in over here in my CRM, please concatenate, which is a sexy word for, put together the different fields so that I can have first and last name in one column versus the other. And you can automate all of this stuff so that your data goes to one source and then becomes normalized whenever it comes in from multiple sources.